Happy Independence Day! Happy Independence Day!
You should not keep stopping from clapping. You need to keep clapping. Then we have the chief guest, none other than Mr. Vijay Deverakonda himself. Next we have Member of Parliament, Honorable Satnam Singh Sandhu, Member of Rajya Sabha and Chancellor of Chandigarh University. And last but not least, the FIA Chairman, Mr. Ankur Vaidya, and FIA President, Mr. Sareen Parikh. On the count of 3, 2, and 1!
Bharat Mata ki Jai! Bharat Mata ki Jai!
Bharat Mata ki Jai! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram!
Bharat Mata ki Jai! Mata ki Jai!
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद
हमारे वीर सैनिकों ने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के लक्ष्यों की प्राप्ति के लिए असीम शौर्य का प्रदर्शन किया।
से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
भारत माता की भारत माता की
Bharat Mata Ki! One more time for Udra Dance Academy. Friends, what's your name? Please introduce yourselves.
I'm Ria. I'm Rita. I'm Dia. I'm Ria. Gia. I'm Nitya.
Is it Ria, Gia, Kia? Is that what happened? Is that Mr. the man himself? Alright, what's up? Please introduce yourself and the inspiration behind the dance.
My name is Sandesh Shetty and we are very proud to come over here and showcase our dance for our Bharat Mata. Bharat Mata Jai! Our school name is Rudra Dance Academy. Proud to come.
Please like, share, follow and subscribe to Rudra Dance Academy. Alright, one more round of applause, folks. Thank you, ladies. Thank you.
Chairman Mr. Ankur Badya, President Sorin Parikh, board members of FIA, other volunteers of FIA who made it possible. Let me also acknowledge the presence of Honorable Member of Parliament Mr. Sandhu. He is a noted educationist as well, and of course Mr. Vijay. We truly are truly impressed that you made time to come here in the morning and join us this morning for the celebration. But this is an occasion where we pay tributes to the people who got us freedom, Mahatma Gandhi and other freedom fighters. We remember them and pay tributes to them on this occasion. But when we celebrate in United States, and this is my second time in this place, we celebrate three things together. We celebrate the rise of India, that we have a momentous rise that India has achieved in last 78 years, from the poster boy of the third world and global poverty to something like the fourth largest economy today. And we also celebrate the rise of Indian America community, the 5.5 million strong Indian diaspora. They are not only the richest community, they are the most impactful community in terms of nation building, in terms of contributing to the American mainstream. And the reflection of that is getting a place like Times Square. And Mr. Ankur said there are some minor errors. I would say you cannot get it better than this. Getting Times Square, getting it year after year, celebrating our Independence Day here. And the third thing we celebrate, of course, is the rising strength and partnership between India and the United States. To the extent that now the leaders from both countries, they say that this is the most consequential partnership of 21st century. And what Prime Minister Modi said, that in that consequential partnership, the real engine is the Indian American community. So let me express my sincere thanks to the Indian American community once again, and to FIA. FIA has set a very different standard here, not only the India Day Parade, not only the Times Square India Independence Day, they also organize cultural events which set a different benchmark. So my sincere thanks to Chairman Ankur Vaidya, Sorin Parikh, other members, we work with them really close. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, sir. I do want to take a moment to thank the Empire State Realty Trust. How many of you saw the Empire State last night? That's it? That is your enthusiasm seeing Empire State in the tri-colors? Come on. How many people saw Empire State in the tri-colors? How many people put it on their Instagram story? There you go. That's how you know. Don't pretend. How many people like cricket over here? How many of y'all play cricket in your own communities wherever you are? Cricket club communities? We are bringing gully cricket to the United States. Folks, get excited for that because Mr. Bhanjani from Crick Max is going to tell you more about that. So can we have Mr. Bhanjani on stage, please?
Happy Independence Day, everyone. This is an overwhelming moment, overwhelming venue, and I'm out of words, as you all can see. But it's special thanks to FIA, Consul General Pradhan ji, Satnam ji for coming here, and of course Mr. Vijay, this glorified day. And I request all of you to please not leave as soon as we move out from here, but I request the entire audience to just take 10 steps and just look at some kids behind us who are holding a bat and a ball and eagerly waiting for every one of you all. And a little bit cheer for those little youth out here who are particularly excited to show you what they have at the field. And this is for some of you, of course. Cricket is a sport. It's a passion. It's a hobby for many, but for where we come from, it's religion. So that's what we want to grow in the United States of America. Cricket to US, the youth program. Thank you so much.
Speaking of cricket, how many people were surprised that RCB won? No, not RCB. What was that? Wait, Bangalore. Bangalore won, right? Yeah. This is my knowledge of cricket. That's how you know I don't know cricket. Nobody knows what I'm talking about. T20, like, who won? IPL, sorry. Yes. I'm really pretending to know cricket, as you can see. I'm going to stop talking. But if you are a good fan, if you're a big fan of cricket, please stick around because this brings us to the end of this part of the ceremony, but we cannot end it without who? Who did we not listen from? Who are you here for? Can we, okay, this, before we bring on this person, if you're an OG fan of this person, what are his fans known as? What are his fans known as? Can we do Rowdy before we come bring him on? Can we do that? Can we just like embarrass him and show him what New York is made of? Okay, on account, you have to say Rowdy, 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 Rowdy.
Check. To all my fellow countrymen and women, Happy Independence Day. I know it was yesterday, but we're independent today and we've been independent since 79 years. It's a great feeling. I've enjoyed, lived joyously, happily for 36 of those 79 years. I've been lucky too. And every time I think of this day, every time it's an Independence Day, or every time I think of how we live our lives, I can't help but feel like I want to go and thank those millions of our elders, our previous generations who fought and sacrificed so that millions of us could live out our dreams, live out our ambitions and not fight to live with respect and fight to live honorably and just fight to survive. So it's like Banerjee said, first things on this day, thank all our elders for whatever they did so that we could all live like this, pursue our ambitions today, celebrate our country, our people, our contributions to the world, our diaspora, our Indian diaspora, celebrate all of this. It's surreal standing amongst these skyscrapers in a different country, and it's surreal and it's beautiful. I can see the American flag up, I can see the Indian flag up. The little girl sang the American anthem so beautifully, and then the Indian anthem so beautifully, and those little performers, all of you with Iya, 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 Tanya, Liya, Kia. Even while you're dancing, you guys killed it. Even while you're dancing, I knew that you were kids that were born here. Somehow I could just see that you guys were born here by how you were lip syncing the song. I could hear an accent in the lip sync also. But such beautiful performance. Yesterday I was in the Empire State Building and we painted the tower in the tricolors. Again, such an honor to have our tricolors on an iconic building, and it's truly just to show the contribution
that this diaspora has made and Indians have made across the world. And we should dream bigger, we should shine brighter, and always, I think, wherever we go, contribute to the world positively. And I'm sure we'll do that, and we will continue to do that. It's such an honor to be amongst all of you. My respects to CG, Dinesh sir, to Sandhu sir, Member of Parliament, to FIA, who've been so warm and made me part of this beautiful event. And lots of love to all my fellow Indians here. Celebrate this day, and we can take it for granted, you know, we were all born independent in an independent country. Sometimes we can take it for granted, but just to think about those days, I think we need to live it up, live it fully, and contribute positively. Thank you all, lots of love, Jai Hind.
Hey guys, can we get some shout out? We are riding from New York Times Square to Taj Mahal, India today on a motorcycle. US-India relationship. We're going to ride 90 days, 30 countries, 15,000 miles. We are starting right now. We're going to take a picture right now, and we will be posting from Taj Mahal on November the 15th. Jai Hind!
One more time for Vijay Deverakonda. One more time. This brings us to the end, folks. Thank you so much for joining us for the flag hosting ceremony. We'll take some time to take photographs, but if you want to stick around for gully cricket, please hang tight, and DJ is going to play some music for us. Thank you so much for joining. Jai Hind.
My name is Ram Batija, and he's Vivek Dapke. We are both traveling from Times Square to Taj Mahal, India. We are going to be on the road for 90 days. We're going to cover 15,000 miles. We're going to cross 30 countries, and we're going to hop 3 continents. So today is the 16th of August. We'll leave right now. We're going to get to Toronto, fly to London, and then from London, we're going to go all the way through Europe, Turkey, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, and then into India through Tibet and Nepal. We are going to take those 2 bikes. The bikes are registered in New York, so we are going to have the same bike. We are carrying 10 days worth of clothes and some money with us, and of course passport and visas.
So what is the motivation behind this? Why did you guys decide it? I mean,
Selfishly, it's for us, because we are riders, so we wanted to get it done. We're turning 60 in 2 years, so we wanted to get it done. We are also raising money for my foundation called Soul Power Foundation, but most importantly, it's for just 2 of us.
It's for our souls.
Yeah, this is for our souls. We want to achieve this and make it to India all the way, irrespective of what people say that it's not possible.
Any message behind this motorbike?
Live your life. You only live once. 58.
Awesome, congratulations.
Thank you.
And what is the foundation? You can talk about your foundation a little bit.
It's Soul Power Foundation. It's based for people in India for transgender and for the sex workers. We are helping them. We don't want to talk too much about it. We'll be raising funds for it, but that's something that we run on the side without too much fanfare.
Nice. Thank you.
How can we follow you?
Oh, you can follow us on Instagram, RamTVTs at Instagram, or rambatija.com. Here you can scan my barcode. I'll give you extra copies. RamTVTs on Instagram and rambatija.com on my website. And of course Facebook, YouTube, everywhere. We'll be posting every night.
So when you ride, you will also post your ride, so people can follow you.
Yes, every day.
They can see what's happening with you guys, how you guys doing.
Yes.
Are you staying in between anywhere, or are you just going straight?
Oh, we're going to stay in hotels.
London hotel, and then
everywhere. We have no reservations. We have 0 reservations, including tonight. So we don't know where we're going to stay tonight. We might stay in Buffalo, or we might get to Toronto tonight. We don't know.
And you take this bike with you?
Yes, those 2 bikes.
We can show the bikes.
Yeah, we can walk to the bike. Sorry, we should have stood here, right?
Yeah,
this is Vivek's bike. It's a 2010 R1200 GSA, and this is my beauty. It's a 2012 R1200 GS. These are both BMW motorcycles. We've owned these for a long time, so we're going to enjoy them all the way to India.
Nice. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
from here? Can you play the bell? Yeah. Maybe. Yeah, just turn it up. Quick max. The bluebirds are scored and our young players step into the SG Trusted Cricket Player, co-wielding the Excuse me. Can you come back? The games are already on, but let me quickly share what QuickMax Connect's mission is. QuickMax Connect is more than cricket. It's about empowering young people from all backgrounds through cricket programs in schools, parks, and communities that build skills, character, and a sense of identity. So today, we're going to have 2 teams going head-to-head. There are going to be 6 players on each side, and they're going to play
Make sure nobody comes here.
overs each. It's going to be fast, high energy. So if you haven't been next to the cricket pitch, I'm going to ask you to make your way there because I'm not going to be because I don't do anything on cricket. So it's going to be my partner in crime, Mr. Ashwin. Ashwin is starting. You can join us too. The Independence Day celebrations are going to continue at the pitch thanks to QuickMax. Stay tuned.
International umpire, Mr. Sanjay Agare. How are you? Good, right now. Start.
You're slower.
Okay, done, last ball. Done. Next batsman.
Last, thank you, Mr. Forget it.
Six.
Out that. Good, Sanjay. Good, Sanjay. Out that.
He's